The stock market and the world seem to be operating in two different universes. The world is waging a war with a pandemic, and the stock market is having the rave of the century, partying it up like never before. What is going on? And is this party going to come to a painful ending? Many investors and potential investors are asking if it's time to leave the market or not get in at all. This is my take on things. Hi there, welcome to my channel. Let's talk money and having more of it. So, when should you stop investing? There are two golden rules to investing. Number one, only invest money you have available to invest. And number two, invest money you are not going to need for at least 5 or more years. And the first rule requires that before you invest, you have a stable financial foundation. And this means you've created a safety net of available money to fall back on in emergency, such as not having enough income or not having any income at all. Having paid off your high interest rate debt and comfortably covering your necessities. So if you cannot tick all of these boxes, you should possibly take a break from investing or not get started at this point. And now the second rule is that the money you have invested is there for the long term. So if you are choosing to take a break from investing, your investments don't need to. Leave them and don't sell. Let them keep on working for you. Let's take a look at when you shouldn't stop investing. I'm assuming you have an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of your basic expenses covered, and that you have a workable budget with an allocation to investing. With all these things behind you, these are the 3 reasons why I think you should stay in the market. The first one is it's all about your time in the market as opposed to timing the market. And the best days in the market typically follow the worst. It's impossible to accurately time the market, but by investing consistently, you take yourself totally out of that guessing game and you position yourself to always be in the market, including over those low periods. Because by being in the market over those low periods, you are perfectly paced to get the full benefit of the subsequent rallies, which lead to the biggest gains. Now, I totally acknowledge this is nail-biting stuff, but keep reminding yourself that in 2008 and 2009, the market dropped by 50%. And many people jumped out of the market at that point and never got back in, missing the next 11 years of phenomenal outsized growth. If you had invested in the market on the 1st of January 2009, on the 1st of January 2021, your investment would be worth $5,520. That is a unbelievable 452% gain. And let me just caveat that. It's difficult looking forward over the next 10 years to see how they too will produce these unbelievable gains. But economies develop, technologies evolved, and it's likely that the next 10 years will similarly produce attractive gains for your investments. The second reason is down markets are excellent opportunities to invest. Would you overlook a sale at your favorite store? Well, I can tell you I would not. And investing consistently in the market makes it so much more likely that you will benefit totally from the sale. And the longer you have on your investing journey, the better it will be. However, I would say if you don't have a long road left on the journey to your goal, now may be a good time to start adding less risky assets or to build up your cash reserves. The third reason is if you are a long-term investor, where the market is totally irrelevant. If you're in the market for the long term, which for the most part most investors are, stay in the market. Growing wealth requires time in the market, commitment to the market, and focus on the market. Keep doing what you planned on doing. Keep investing consistently and ignore the outer noise. If you aren't investing but are thinking about investing, grab the Introduction to Investing workbook below in the notes. If you like this video, please let me know by hitting like. If you know of any other ladies who want to change their financial story and will benefit from simple financial education designed for women, please refer them to my channel. And if you like the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video. It's been lovely speaking with you.